Thinking about making the leap into tiny living? You're not alone. Tiny houses are a growing trend, offering a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle. Welcome back to Life Tips. Today we're sharing 5 essential tips to help you thrive in your tiny house journey. Let's get started. Tip number 1, embrace minimalism. In a tiny house, every square foot counts. Start by decluttering your belongings and keeping only what you truly need and love. Ask yourself, does this bring me joy? If not, it might be time to let it go. Focus on quality over quantity and you'll find that less really is more. Tip number 2, invest in smart storage solutions. To maximize your space, think vertically. Use shelves, hooks, and underbed storage to keep things organized. Multifunctional furniture, like ottomans that double as storage or fold-out tables, can help you save space while keeping your tiny home functional and stylish. Tip number 3, create functional zones. Designate specific areas for different activities such as cooking, working, and relaxing. Even in a small space, having defined zones can help you maintain a sense of order and functionality. Use rugs or furniture placement to visually separate these areas for a more spacious feel. Tip number 4, don't forget about outdoor space. Many tiny homes come with outdoor areas that can expand your living space. Create a cozy patio, garden, or fire pit area to enjoy nature and fresh air. This not only enhances your living experience but also provides more room to relax and entertain. And finally, tip number 5, stay connected to your community. Tiny living can sometimes feel isolating, so it's important to build connections. Join local tiny house groups or online communities to share experiences, tips, and support. Many tiny house enthusiasts also enjoy organizing meetups, which can lead to lasting friendships. Living in a tiny house can be incredibly rewarding, but it comes with its own set of challenges. By following these 5 essential tips, embracing minimalism, investing in smart storage, creating functional zones, prioritizing outdoor space, and connecting with your community, you'll be well on your way to thriving in your tiny home. End screen appears with subscribe button and related video suggestions. Think small, live big.